These are all too familiar to Houstonians, and damage from the spring floods of last year was a pretty high price to pay after nearly a foot of rain fell in just a matter of hours. As the recovery process got underway, the Red Cross was there to help neighbors in need, and they are gearing up yet again if things take a turn for the worse. Channel 2's Bill Spencer is live in Southwest Houston as the Red Cross is already prepping. And Bill, what are they doing right now?
Yeah, Jonathan and Sion, you can see they are starting to load up the supplies, things like bedding and medical equipment, soap, shampoo, and of course cots and sheets and all of that. Anything that the people who could be left homeless over the next couple of days might need in a disaster. They literally have dozens of volunteers working right now who are ready to go and are ready to leave to be transported wherever they need to be. Preparing for a storm disaster in America's fourth largest city is a huge job. The Greater Houston chapter of the American Red Cross serves 5.9 million people living in a total of 51 counties all along the Texas Gulf Coast. Right now, the Red Cross is packing hundreds of cots, blankets, bedding, water, comfort kits, and medical kits to help Houstonians who have to leave their homes. The Red Cross doesn't ask people to travel long distances to get to their shelters. Instead, they bring the shelters right to the people affected.
All right, the Red Cross has been in preparation for this storm since Wednesday of this week. Volunteers have been we've been doing call downs to all of our volunteers throughout our region. Right now we have about 50 volunteers that are on standby to the affected areas.
Right now, the Red Cross in our area has more than 50 volunteers working and on high alert, ready to go to work at any moment. Volunteer Sharon Black gives 20 hours of her time every week and is headed to the Spring area to work tonight. From the heart, tell me why you do this.
Well, to help people. My background is legal, so it's always about helping people, helping the client, helping people who don't otherwise either have the means or the know-how or know anybody who can tell them.
Now, as far as food goes, you're probably wondering, where is all that stuff? Well, the Red Cross actually has contracts with major companies like Cisco, food providers that will actually truck all of that food directly to the storm victims, wherever they may be. As you can see, the Red Cross doesn't ask the victims to come to them. They take the supplies to the victims. Reporting live in Houston at Red Cross headquarters, Bill Spencer, KPRC, Channel 2 News.
Looks like they're ready to go. Thanks a lot, Bill. For the latest weather stories and video, we've got you covered on click2houston.com. And don't forget to send us your weather photos and video as well.
Breaking right now, two bodies